Imagine a robot so advanced that it can think faster, adapt better, and even operate in places where electricity is useless, like Chernobyl. Sounds like sci-fi, right? But guess what? It's happening right now. Engineers at King's College London have cracked the code for giving robots complex instructions without using electricity for the first time ever. This groundbreaking innovation could revolutionize robotics, freeing up more space in the robot's brain for AI to truly take over. The secret lies in a new type of compact circuit that works just like parts of the human body. Instead of electricity, these circuits rely on fluid pressure. Yes, fluid. By using variations in the pressure inside a robot's body, engineers are able to send commands and trigger actions, just like a human brain controlling your heart without you thinking about it. This fluid-based circuit can handle complex tasks like controlling robotic limbs or even gripping a door handle. And because it operates independently from the robot's central brain, all that freed-up space can be used for more advanced AI-powered software, making the robot smarter and more socially aware. Imagine robots in social care, manufacturing, or even exploring irradiated areas like Chernobyl, places where electricity-based devices would normally fail. These robots could be a game-changer, not just in high-tech environments but also in low-income countries where access to reliable electricity is limited. As Dr. Antonio Forte, the senior author of this study, puts it, by delegating tasks to the body, we free up the brain to think. This breakthrough could lead to a whole new generation of robots that don't just follow commands. They think, adapt, and interact with the world in a much more dynamic way. What's next? The team plans to scale up this technology, embedding it into larger robots. Everything from crawlers that inspect power plants to robots with fully soft engines. According to the team, without advancements in embodied intelligence, robots may soon hit a plateau. But with this new leap in hardware innovation, the door is now wide open for smarter robots, with smarter bodies. What do you think? Will this be the next evolution in robotics? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more cutting-edge AI updates.